Life as a student can be full of assignments, exams, and social pressures. But fear not, we're here to share some of coping mechanisms, practical strategies to help you overcome the stress of pandemic life.
Welcome, everyone. We're here to share some tried and true techniques to help you manage stress and improve your overall well being.
First technique, time management.
First up, let's talk about time management. It's all about creating a structured routine that allows you to manage your studies, hobbies, and social life. Tip number one is a planner. A physical or digital planner can help you visualize your tasks and deadlines. Tip number two, prioritize tasks. Identify the most important tasks and tackle them first. Tip number three, time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for different activities, such as studying, socializing, and relaxation. Tip number four, Pomodoro technique. Study at 25 minutes intervals, followed by short breaks.
Hey, pre! Ba't kinamukha mo? Parang ka nakakita ng multo.
Malapit na exam. Marami pa akong dapat aralin.
Oh.
Ba't ganun? Parang di ko ma-absorb.
Easy ka lang kasi, bro. Masyado mo kasi pinipressure sa sarili mo eh.
Madaling sabihin pre, pero mahirap gawin na ba? Feeling ko mababaliw na ako sa dami ng dapat tandaan eh.
Ay, alam mo, may gamot ako sa stress mo. Teka.
Next!
Oh, pre. Effective to.
Ha? Paano nang makakatulong ko sa stress ko? Pre,
Basta, subukan mo lang. Isang peraso mo.
sige pre, try.
Ano, pre?
Masarap nga pre.
Sabi sa'yo, masarap yun eh.
Pero wala akong workout sa stress pre.
Ganito kasi yan, pare. Pag mamaya kasi ng nips, parang nadidistract ka. Tsaka, yun, parang nawawala yung stress na iniisip mo.
Parang pinangagat ko nga pre kung nangyayari ako. Parang nawala ng ako sa atin.
Sabi sa'yo, effective to eh.
Salamat pre. Ano ka tulong talaga itong lips na sinadjust mo, binigay mo sa akin.
Anytime bro, basta, mag-aaral ka na mabuti ha. Sige pre, tuloy mo na yan. Tulungan kita.
Sige pre. Pagod ko lalo mag-aaral.
Stress ng exams? Huwag mag-alala. May NIPS. Gamutin mo ang stress mo ng masarap na dahilan. NIPS. Sarap na nakaka-relax. Second technique, mindfulness and relaxation.
Mindfulness and relaxation techniques can work wonders in reducing stress and improving focus. Tip number one, meditation. Practice mindfulness meditation to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Tip number two, deep breathing. Simple deep breathing exercise can help you relax and center yourself. Tip number three, yoga and stretching. Physical activity can reduce stress and improve your mood. Tip number four, progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and release different muscle groups to reduce physical tension.
Third technique, healthy lifestyle habits.
A healthy lifestyle is crucial for optimal mental and physical health. Number one, nourish your body. Eat a balanced diet, rich in fruits and vegetables. Tip number two, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Number three, get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Tip number four, regular exercise. Engage in physical activity that you enjoy.